Hey everyone, my name is Colin Williams. I'm a librarian here at Long Beach City College, and right now I want to show you how to find encyclopedias in OneSearch, Long Beach City College's online public access catalog. So one of the things I want to do is start off on our Start Your Research LibGuide here at LBCC. And what you'll see I'm going to do is click on the Reference Sources button here on the left-hand side navigation. And we're going to take a look at a brief definition of reference sources. These are basically dictionaries and encyclopedias, anything that can help you provide definitions and high-level overviews of a topic. And they work really well in research papers where you have to provide a foundational understanding of a topic for your audience to get everyone on the same page, maybe in those first couple of paragraphs. So we want to look at encyclopedias in this video. So we can use the tab here to take a look at encyclopedias in OneSearch. And there's also encyclopedias available in the different databases that Long Beach City College subscribes to, which you can explore as well. When we're looking for encyclopedias in OneSearch, however, we're going to want to use two main search strategies. We're going to want to add the word encyclopedia to our search query. So for example, that could look like nuclear fission encyclopedia. And we are definitely going to want to use the reference entry limiter, which is found under the resource type. So if we come back to our Find Your Sources tab, let's find the one search bar and enter our search query. And that's going to be nuclear fission. And I'm just going to start with those two words, nuclear fission. When we click search, it fires up the OneSearch interface in a new tab. And now we're immediately going to apply the filter reference entries, which we find under the limiter resource type. So that appears on the left-hand side of the page here. We're going to expand the resource type limiter, and we're going to look for reference entries. Okay, so here's our reference entries. We're going to select it and apply that filter. And now we're looking for reference entries related to nuclear fission, and our gigantic umbrella limiter is still set to everything, which means we're looking for online resources as well as print books. I am fine with that. If you want only online resources, you can select that and reset your search. And what I'm going to do is take a look at the search results. So here we have nuclear fission. It's a reference entry from the Encyclopedia Britannica online. Here we have a reference entry on nuclear fission from the Gale Encyclopedia of Science. And then a little bit below that, we have a dictionary of energy. Okay, not all of these are reference articles from encyclopedias. Some of them are from dictionaries. So what we could do, if we want to tell OneSearch, please only pull up things from encyclopedias, is we just add the word encyclopedia to our search query. And before we hit search, I'm going to tell OneSearch, please remember the filter that I have here for reference entries. And then I'll click the search button. So now we will not see any of those dictionaries listed in the search results. Instead, all we see will be encyclopedias. So we've got lots of different articles for things related to fission and nuclear sciences. So from here, it will just be fine-tuning your search results, whether you put this in quotation marks to conduct a phrase search, whether you use some more of your subject limiters over here. That's entirely up to you. But this is essentially how you find those encyclopedia articles in OneSearch at Long Beach City College.